Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own sound on Snapchat, on iPhone or on an Android device. First, let's go into Snapchat. From here, you can record the video or take the snap that you would like to upload by simply tapping on the record icon here like usual. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the music icon from the right hand corner, and you'll simply glide the options across from the top, and you can select My Sounds, or you can tap on Create Sound right in line with Popular. Then you'll tap on Create Sound, and you can either upload from your camera roll or you can tap on Record Sound. And from here, you'll tap on the microphone icon, and you will simply record the sound that you would like to upload to Snapchat. After you have recorded the sound, you are going to tap on Sound Name, and you'll create a name, then tap on Save Sound. Once you have saved the sound now, whenever you create a snap, or as you can see right here, you'll now be able to tap on sound. So I'll mute that sound right there, then tap on the music icon, go across, select My Sounds, select the sound that you had created, and that sound will be added to the video. Then tap on the sticky, and now you can send it, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.